Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to sign up for GitLab. So first of all, we're going to go into any web browser that you want to use and go into about.gitlab.com. Once you're here, you're going to go in the right hand side of the screen and press on get free trial. Open that, and right here it will ask you for a first name, last name, username, email and a password. So first of all, you're just going to enter your first name, your last name. You're going to think of a unique username that you want to use. Just choose an email that you have access to, so you're gonna have to confirm it after you enter it, and then you're gonna enter a password. Now the password must be between 8 to 128 characters, and you cannot use like common phrases, so like you cannot use like dog, cat, password for example, and you shouldn't contain your name in it, your username or your email. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Once you've entered all of those, you're just going to press continue, and then it will ask you personal questions to actually personalize the app for your usage. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.